Now let's count down again. We've got 10 great bridges across the night. Cold creeks, there are 8 towns roaming round. 7 days a week. I see 6 trees, oh so green. 5 clouds in the sky. 4 cars connected round and round the mountainside. I see 3 blue number bricks, 0, 7, 8. And 2 friends counting on our one black kitty cat. Counting up and counting back, counting up and counting back. Here we go! All aboard the number train, counting up and down. Tell me all the things you see when the wheels go round. All aboard the number train, counting up and down. Tell me all the things you see when we're counting up and we're counting down again. Whoa, whoa. Hey kids, let's make today a special celebration. Who should we celebrate first?
Teddy!
Let's sing! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Teddy. Happy birthday to you. That was fun. Who's next?
Kitty!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Katie. Happy birthday to you. Let's pick somebody else.
Bunny!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bunny. Happy birthday to you.
Doggy!
Doggy wants to celebrate his birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Doggy. Happy birthday to you. Let's celebrate everybody this time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, everybody. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, head, shoulders, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Who wants to go on a trip all around the world? Then come on, everybody. Let's go on a trip across the sea. Who knows the wonders we will see? It's fun. As long as you're with me. Everywhere we go, we're gonna stop and say hello. Who do you see when we pop up here?
A polar bear. A hare.
Tell the captain, park it. We must be in the Arctic. And as the saying goes, we're gonna stop and say hello. All around the world. Everywhere we go, we're gonna stop and say hello. All around the world. Everywhere we go, we're gonna stop and say hello. Who do you see when we pop up here?
A monkey. A toucan.
Tell the captain, stop it. We must be in the tropics. And as the saying goes, we're gonna stop and say hello. All around the world. Everywhere we go, we're gonna stop and say hello. All around the world. Everywhere we go, we're gonna stop and say hello. Who do you see when we pop up here?
A lion. A giraffe.
Tell the captain it's a party. We've wound up on safari. And as the saying goes, we're gonna stop and say hello. All around the world. Everywhere we go, we're gonna stop and say hello. All around the world. Everywhere we go, we're gonna stop and say hello. Let's go. Deep under the sea, who knows? The wonders we will see. There's a whale
And a fish.
and a diver waving at me.
Hi there.
100 feet below, we're gonna stop and say hello. All around the world. Everywhere we go, we're gonna stop and say hello. All around the world. Everywhere we go, we're gonna stop and say hello.
Our next stop's a little restaurant, and we can bring them everything they want. Milk and bread, coffee and tea. 1, 2, 3, delivery. Down the tracks, the construction site. We can bring supplies to build it right. Bricks and tools, everything they need. 1, 2, 3, delivery. Riding on the cargo train, gonna fill it back up and do it all again. Every day, bring them what they need. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, delivery.
and he comes around. If you ever need a helping hand, there's a friendly face in the ambulance. When you need someone to save the day, they're coming in a hurry. There's no need to worry. You can bet a hero's on the way. Look who's come to save the day. It's our hometown heroes, here to help in every way. It's our hometown heroes.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All of his neighbors and all of his friends helped to put Humpty together again.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All of his neighbors and all of his friends helped to put Humpty together again.
Humpty Dumpty had an idea. He gathered his friends from far and near. Let's work together